We've talked about the consonants. We've talked about the vowels. Now, let's go to what we call Agbava, Abidi. Two consonant letters joined together in the alphabet that are sounds that we need to use. In fact, they are very important if you are able to speak Isoko very fluently. And they are ch, ch, ch. Pick one, CH, like Ichoche, church in English, Ichoche in Isoko, the DH, de, DH. Now, b, GB, GB, he, GB. Now, GH, r, o, or, o, Now, KP, p, o, that's KP. Then NW, yeah, enwe, onwa. Now, I'm pronouncing some words with them now. Then you have NY, nyaze, nyaze. Now, you have the ROH. The ROH is not that commonly used, but we can use it for words like urire. Now you have the SH, oshe. That's a word. Now you have TH, uto. Now you have Eoma, onwo. Then you have WH, wa. Yze, Y, owo. Now, those are the two consonant sounds. Agbava, Abidi. Now, why not make a rehearsal of them and send and post on my comment section? God bless you. Till I see you again next time. I'm Kenu. And please, Isoko naziezi, Abidi Isoko, and you speak it fluently. What a jazz, Odenota Manuel.